Hey lovelies! I know that breakfast can get a little bit boring, so today I've got 3 inspired breakfast wrap ideas for you that will certainly make the most important meal of the day the most delicious. I'm kicking things off today with a breakfast wrap that is inspired by all the deliciousness of a traditional fajita. What is not to enjoy about that? We're going to get started by sauteing our fajita veggies. Now the great part about this is you can actually cook your veggies during your Sunday meal prep and then just add them to your wraps throughout the week, which is really, really great and will cut down lots of time making breakfast. I'm starting, as I often do, with a nice big skillet on the stove. I'm going to add some oil to that and get it heated up over medium-high. Once my oil is nice and hot, I am going to add some bell pepper to my pan. I'm using green and red, but of course any colors will do. Eating the rainbow is always a good idea, as we know. To that, I'm also going to add some finely sliced white onion. Once those veggies are in the pan, you can go ahead and season things up. I've got a little chili powder here, always super tasty. We'll hit this with some salt and pepper. I'll cook these up for 6 to 8 minutes or until they are nice and soft and delicious. Then I'm going to remove them from my pan and set them aside while I get to work on scrambling up some eggs. I've got 3 eggs in my bowl. I'm going to whisk them together with just a little splash of milk. Then I will add a little more oil to my pan and get these scrambling. You guys know how I feel about brown eggs. If you don't, I do not enjoy brown in my scrambled eggs. My scrambled eggs have to have no brown in them. This was a rule when I was growing up. Once your eggs have been sufficiently scrambled, you can go ahead and start building your breakfast wrap. Now in this case, I am using a whole wheat tortilla. Obviously any tortilla will do. I'm going to spread on a nice layer of sour cream, one of my all-time favorite ingredients. Then I'll pile in my beautiful fajita veggies, get my eggs on top, sprinkle on some cheddar cheese, and then finish these off with some freshly chopped chives. How good do these look? I would also recommend if you had a little leftover chicken or steak in your refrigerator, you just toss that in your breakfast wrap for more protein. The real question is, why wouldn't you have a fajita for breakfast if you could? Next, lovelies, we are making a spinach and artichoke breakfast wrap, inspired, of course, by all the flavors of my very favorite dip, spinach and artichoke dip. So we're going to get started once again with our skillet on the stove. I'm heating up some oil. I'll get some garlic into that pan. As soon as that garlic is nice and fragrant, after about 30 seconds or so, I'm going to go ahead and add a whole lot of spinach to my pan. I never shy away from adding lots of spinach because, as we all know, it wilts down to almost nothing. So a lot of spinach becomes a little spinach very quickly. And while that is working itself out over there, I am just going to mix up my eggs. I've got a little splash of milk here. Once again, I'm using 3 eggs in this recipe. You could use more or less if you wanted to. Once that spinach is almost fully wilted, we can go ahead and add our artichoke hearts. Now these were marinated in oil. I drained them and then chopped them up. I am obsessed with artichoke hearts. Anyone who's been watching the channel for any length of time knows that already. We'll season all of this up with a little Greek seasoning, salt and pepper I'm adding as well. Once that spinach is wilted and your artichoke hearts are just heated through, you can go ahead and add your egg mixture to the pan. Because our pan is nice and hot, our eggs are going to scramble very, very quickly, so you'll want to make sure to keep them moving. As soon as they start to set, I like to turn the heat off on my pan so they don't overcook. Next, we will be assembling our breakfast wrap. I, once again, am starting with a whole wheat tortilla here, and I'm going to spread on a good helping of nice tangy cream cheese. It is always best to do this with either whipped cream cheese or cream cheese that is at room temperature. Otherwise, you risk tearing your tortilla, and nobody likes a torn tortilla. Am I right? Now that my cream cheese is down, I'm going to pile in my egg mixture. Now, this is already amazing just as it is, but 2 things that I promise will take it right over the top. The first is some freshly grated parm. And the second is maybe a little more surprising, but I promise you I would not lead you astray, is just a quick hit of lemon zest. And that's breakfast, baby. You know how I feel about getting your greens in early in the morning. It's always a great way to start your day. Finally, lovelies, we are whipping up a vegan breakfast scramble that I can't get enough of. This one starts once again with some oil heating up in a skillet on the stove. To that, I am going to add some finely chopped shallot and some mushrooms that have been quartered. We'll let these cook away until the mushrooms start to brown and release all of their moisture. Next, we will add our crumbled tofu. Now, it's really important when you're making a recipe like this to use extra firm tofu. That is going to give you the best texture. Once that tofu starts to heat through, we can go ahead and add our turmeric, which is not only going to add some flavor, it's also going to add some nice sunny color to these so they end up looking like scrambled eggs. And then we'll add a little savory umami flavor with a splash of soy sauce. The best part about a tofu scramble like this is it takes no time. Literally, in less than 5 minutes, it is ready to go. If you don't want to make your wrap right away, not to worry, this stuff stores beautifully. Just let it cool, put it in a container, and it will last in your fridge for 4 or 5 days. You can eat it hot or cold. Once again, I've got my whole wheat tortilla, and I'm going to spread on some really tasty protein-packed hummus. To that, I'm going to add some crunchy broccoli sprouts and some finely sliced red bell pepper. This is going to give our wrap nice texture and a lot of natural crunch. We'll pile on our tofu scramble and then finish this off simply with a few sprigs of cilantro. Guys, this is definitely one worth trying whether you are vegan or not. It is loaded with protein and flavor. Talk about an amazing plant-based way to start your day. And that's a wrap, guys. I hope you will give all of these tasty ideas a try. If you do, be sure to tweet me, Instagram me, or Snapchat me a photo because, of course, I always love seeing your kitchen creations. All of the full recipes are, as always, available in the description box below. You can just click show more if you want to take a look. And finally, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe because there is lots more deliciousness where this came from.